Yeah, I just bought Juggernaut too because I have a crossbow and the Spectre with 0 bullets.
Hey, my uniform! I need ammunition!
Oh yeah.
You will bring forth your destruction!
In Gary, if you lay down in front of the double tap machine, if you add the pistol machine and the Juggernaut machine, you will easily get 25 points. This will be 25 points.
Chris, I was the one who told you that little thing. No, I was one who did. Chris, I was the one. How dare you make the lies? Team, oh, fail. Team. Holy crap. No. Yes, a nuke. We actually did need that because I have no bullets for anything. Nope, nothing. Good, I have just enough points for the box. Please bless me with something I can use. Oh, that is screwed up. Teddy bear. I got it, Chris. Thank you. That's actually helpful. Thanks, Chris.
Alright, so and Adam's A1 was Adam's A1 is real sick. Come back on Twitter and come on, dude. I don't play something anymore, but we make vlogs and everything. Come back. Alright. So back. I think that one's not like this.
Yeah, alright, I'll go link the first one.
Alright, ready? I'm heading to this one. Let's get.
Alright, hold on. Alright, let's hope we get like a max ammo or something. Or a bonfire sale. It's fine.
Small weapon! Very dangerous! Just like me!
Okay.
Go.
Okay. That was quick. That was the fastest thing I've ever done. You know that was fast, huh?
Okay, guys,
A carpenter. Dang, there's a lot. Chris, that was loud. It was really loud, but like the volume was too loud. No, mine. Alright, I'll get you. Oh, dang. Oh, shoot. I almost died. Hold on. Do. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be hard, Chris. I can't get you. There's a lot behind me, Chris.
The demons will
I bought the Thompson. Yeah, I have monkey bombs.
Peace out time.
Don't worry, I got you. I got you, don't worry. Chris, YouTube is hearing you right now. Oh my goodness. I need to go buy Quick Revive. Why'd you kill him, Chris?
Oh my god, I didn't know that was the last color.
You failure.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's alright. Chris, like, dude, my speaker's on really loud and they can hear you yell, like, I'm sorry!
Victory.
Or mine.
Alright, I'm going to see what I get from Leebox.
Stand before us.
Ooh.
Brilliant and grass. I wish you on my enemy.
Same gun.
Flesh will be torn.
I'm coming. Why did I throw that? It does nothing. Thanks. Alright, I'm coming.
Guys, please don't be telling me I suck at your team, okay, guys?
Don't troll Chris. Don't troll Chris. Chris is too cool to be trolled. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm good, Chris. Alright. Sorry. If it makes you feel better, there's a monkey bomb in the box. Yeah, my favorite gun. Oh yeah.
Surgical precision. We shall remove these demons.
Yeah, oh my goodness. Whoa, darn it. Remember, you have monkey bombs. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna take down some zombies. Oh, Chris, I'm gonna need some points. Oh no. Don't worry, I got this. Alright. I got you. Oh no, the dog. Don't die. Oh. It's alright. Well, that was actually a good game. 30 minutes long. Yeah. Alright, bye guys. See ya. Alright, well, let's play another game. We'll do another game, Chris. Alright, let's go.
Okay, but wait, not yet. Can we play a different game now?
Let's do, Chris, why don't we stick with one more level? Let's do, let's do, alright, we're doing Shinonuma. Alright, see you guys.
Wait.
Shinonuma. Alright, see you guys.
Stop. Did you stop?
Alright, bye. Yeah, I stopped it.